Okay, these little floating wicks are so super cute. They, I got the little flower ones. I like the little flower ones. They're cute, but they come in a couple different shapes. You can get them in different shapes, but they come like that. And then you've got your wicks right here. So you need to actually pull a wick from here, and you'll put it right into the floating candle. So I just poke it right in, and you want to poke it mostly all the way through and leave a little tiny bit on the bottom. And then you're going to create your jar or your water. And what I like to do is everything is energy. So I like to use moon water, which means I've put the water out in either the new moon or the full moon. This one happens to be the new moon, and it's all about balance. So what I put some crystals in here that also show balance. So I put some crystals right in there that also are about balance. So you can see, but you can put anything in the water that you want to decorate. Like you can use dried flowers or twigs or kind of like cool decorative things. The only thing is if you do use flowers, your water's only going to last about a week because it's going to get mucky from the flower, or it'll start to color it. But anyway, so you do that, and then you can pour any kind of vegetable oil that you have. And of course, oil and water don't mix. Just pours right in. And it's going to float on the top of the water, which is super cool. And then I like to add an extra essential oil to it. So I have doTERRA Balance. So since this is the energy of balance, I use doTERRA's Balance Oil. It smells really good. Use 3 or 4 drops, whatever you want. These candles are great if you're going to use like citronella to have on like outdoors to get rid of bugs and stuff. So then you just take your little floating wick like this, and you're just going to drop him right on the top, and he's just going to float right there. And then you're just going to light him. And that's just how simple it is. Really fun. It comes with I got the package with 100 of them, and they're really, really inexpensive. So really cool, really fun. Oh, and the other thing I like is that it comes with this little clippy thing here. Really cool. So you can pick it out of the oil, so you don't have to put your fingers in the oil. Very cool.